Good morning, my Crochet 101 class. I thought I'd come in and finish these last couple of rows with you and then show you how to close up your single crochet headband. See, I've done it to the length that I wanted. You can put it around your head at this point and see if it's where you want it to be before you close it up, or get a tape measure and see where it measures. We're going to continue with the chain one and turn and single crochet all the way across. Just keep single crocheting, put the needle in the V, pick up that loop, pick up the other loop, and keep repeating all the way down. That's your single crochet stitch. And that's all we've been doing throughout this whole headband. Single crochet, single crochet. Make sure you've got your scissors ready and your needle, because we are going to need it in a few minutes. Pull up a little yarn. This is my last row right here. Turn, single crochet. Single crochet all the way across. All the way across. And 2 more stitches left. At this point, we're going to make that slip stitch, and we're going to leave a long tail because we have to sew it together at this point. So pull your long tail, then cut your yarn. We can move this out of the way now. And we've got our tail. We've got a right side and we've got a wrong side. I'm going to put these right sides together. Let me thread my needle first because it may be kind of rough to thread this needle after I done did that, because I got to hold it. Put the right sides together. Gonna fold this in half like that. Fold that in half like that. Then you're gonna open them up just a little and put this inside of there. Make sure to keep these even and fold them over each other. They're gonna be folded over each other. Make sure all of this is lined up. And that's where you're going to make sure you catch all 4 of these. Get all 4 and start sewing it together. Sew it all 4 of the folds. Just sew it together. Keep sewing. I can make a little knot here. Then I go back the other way just to try to reinforce it a little bit more. But make sure you get all 4 of these. Just going back and forth. Back and forth. And grab this last little piece right here. And force it. Get that other little tail out the way. And then you're going to find a way to hide this tail. Just sew it down off in here a few times. And you can cut that one. I'm going to hide this one after a while. Then when you flip your headband around, it's going to be twisted. Like that. So that's the way it's supposed to look. So finish your headband. Make several of these. Make some for yourself and everybody else. And y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.